welcome back. Here is a second coin for you guys to see. This one actually dates from the period of the French Revolutionary Wars, in the decade after the Revolutionary Wars, and it is minted in Italy. And you can see the legend on here, Republica Cisalpina. So in the Roman periods, the area just south of the Alps next to what was Gaul was considered Gallic territory, and the province of Cisalpine Gaul, so Gaul on our side. The province on the other side became Transalpine Gaul, basically on the other side of the Alps. So when the French Revolution happened, basically the rest of Europe ganged up on the Republic, and eventually under the Levy en Masse, the Republic actually got a much bigger military advantage and went on a conquering mission. So the first Cisalpine Republic was actually created in 1797 by Napoleon after he defeated the Austrians at the Battle of Lodi. And then Napoleon went off to try to conquer Egypt, and the Second Coalition recovered. And in 1799, this republic, with its capital in Milan, was dissolved. But then Napoleon abandoned his troops in Egypt, came back, and he took control of the army again and thrashed the Austrians and drove them out. And in 1799, basically in 1799, 1800, this republic was restored. And so this coin is minted in honor of that. And you can see the denomination here. It talks about 30 soldi. And the obverse, and it's a pretty image. It's a representation of the new republic in feminine form, which still happens in France if you've seen the designation of Marianne as the representation of the French Republic. So it's a really pretty portrait, and it's a representation of the new republic, adopting classical themes, but this is something that France started to do as well, and you see representations of Marianne on later French coins. Flipping it over, the reverse has a legend which basically acknowledges peace celebrated through Bonaparte and foundation, and then you can see a date, Anno 9, and what that date is referring to is the French Revolutionary calendar. And this revolutionary calendar, they redid the whole calendar, turned the week into 10 days, and you had a whole bunch of months, and it lasted for about a little over a decade, and then Napoleon basically went back to the original calendar. But at this point, the Republic, even though it was under the Directory, is still using the old calendar. So this is the 9th year under the new calendar, and that is basically equivalent to 1801. The Cisalpine Republic is also known because its flag was the tricolor based on the French tricolor, with green taking the place of blue. It didn't have much longer to live because in 1802 Napoleon replaced it. About the time he took over in France as consul, he also replaced the Cisalpine Republic with the Italian Republic. And then a few years later, when he crowned himself emperor, the Italian Republic was replaced with the Kingdom of Italy, the Napoleonic Kingdom of Italy. And must remember that this was an attempt to sort of unite Italy, but the old medieval Kingdom of Italy only controlled the northern half of the peninsula. The southern half of the peninsula historically was first under the Byzantines and then later became the Kingdom of Sicily. So this is an early attempt at Italian unification through Napoleon. You can see the coin, it's about 7.3 grams. It's about 68% silver. And you can see it's not very thick, it's a little thin. And it is, you want to compare it to a quarter, you can see the size. It's about 29 millimeters. It's not a very heavy coin. It's about, as I said, 7.3 grams. But this one is in really nice condition. It's really cute. 7.33 is the official weight. My weight scale only goes to 7.3. So, but anyway, just thought the portrait was really pretty. It has a little bit of historical significance because again, you're commemorating Napoleon's conquest in Italy. This is when Napoleon became a military hero in France, and this is the thing that set his path to becoming emperor. So again, this is a 30 soldi coin, which is basically what was 1.5 lira at the time. And at this point, the coins are still denominated based on metal values, so you can figure out what the weight of a lira approximately was. And so this is from the Cisalpine Republic, a short-lived quote-unquote sister republic, but really a puppet republic of the new post-revolution French Republic that briefly controlled northern Italy with the capital at Milan, and then was replaced by the Italian Republic, short-lived as well. So anyway, closer look at this again, and that's it for now. If you like this video, hit the little bell icon and hit subscribe, and also hit the subscribe button. See you soon.
I'm sick and tired of living in a van down by the river.